Good morning, good evening, good day. It's Tracey back from Mattingley House. How are you all doing? Hope you're all doing fabulous. Today we've got a diamond painting kit unboxing from Dreamer Designs, and this kit is called Lotus. I'll put all the details down below for you in the description. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Let's get this unboxed and have a look. Excited to have a posh one. Although must say, I'm doing a Temu kit at the moment of a baby blue dragon and I'm loving it. So I don't see the real awful problems with the Temu kits that some people see. But I must admit, the canvas is generally nice and soft on the expensive kits. So we'll see what this one's like. This one's a little bit squished. Let's get her open. Not sure which one this is because I've got two. Okay. Ooh, out she comes. So we've got a dust bag here, Dreamer Designs dust bag, just in case you've never had one of these before. And it's done up with the canvas inside. So let's pull her out of the dust bag. All pretty lilac-y colours. So there's the dust bag. Let's get it over there. Look at the little pretty lilac ribbon. Ah, it's a nice touch, isn't it, with the ribbon? I suppose it's soft on the canvas. Let's pull out. Oh, so we've got one little bag here. Ooh, let's empty out the drills and our canvas. So there's our drills, quite a few drills here. Quite placid colours, very antique-y looking colours. So I think I know which kit this is now then. Okay, let's go into another string pull bag, and this is just the kit. Let's see what you get in the kit. Okay, so we've got some, kind of rubbish resealable plastic bags. We don't need them, do we? It's a skinny little, really skinny actually, feels skinnier than the average. Or is that my imagination? Could be my imagination because I haven't used an average one for ages. So we've got the divider here. I do like the tweezers. I got a pair of these tweezers on another kit. Except these are flat tweezers. On the other kit that I've got, they're bent so that it's easy to pick up. But at least they're metal, so they're nice. We get a couple of these foams to stick on your pens, should you still be using these pens. No. And we've got, I think that's some sort of pickup tool. Not sure what that one is. I need to change my glasses. Getting overexcited. Oh, what have I done with my glasses? Oh, I took them in the front room. Let me dig out another pair. Hang fire. I'm going to dig out another pair of glasses. These should do. Just Temu reading glasses. Oh, that's better. I can see what you're looking at now. It's a hole in it. I don't know what that is. So we get two Dreamer Design waxes in the little pots. I will get round to trying them out. And we've got some adapters. So we've got like a 3 pickup a straightener, and is that a 4 or a 5? I don't know because I don't use them. Probably a 5. I'm a single placer. And a little pink basic tray. Okay. Yeah. Not that impressed with the kit, to be honest. And this little thing will separate your diamonds like that. Yeah, not loving the kit. I do like those, but all of that, not really. But we'll put that back in there. I mean, if it's your very first rodeo, you would probably like all of it, but oh, be careful because the bags come undone as well. The knot has come undone. So that's the kit anyway. Miss Fussy Pants. Okay. Let me show you the one I've got. Okay, it feels nice and smooth. So in here we get the coding and a picture of the image and a couple of little stickers and an instruction of how to diamond paint. Yeah. Okay. And this is the image. Now, she's big, so I will do it this way. Okay, this one is called Lotus. Let's turn it up a little bit more. Hopefully you can see it a little bit better if I turn it up this one. Now, this one's Lotus by Mikey Bergman. The design size is a 60 by 70. And I'm looking at it now, hence the sort of very antique-y looking colours. She's got, let's have a look, 65 colours. Now that's a huge difference to the likes of the Temu kits, because your average Temu kit gives you, I don't know, between sort of 15 to 25 colours. You know, you get around about there. I mean, some kits I've had 40 colours, but you don't get this quantity of colours, so therefore the shading is going to be better, because obviously 65 colours is a lot of colours. Now, with that quantity, it's an awful lot of symbols. You have got some numbers and some letters, but the majority of them are symbols. She is gorgeous. Now, it's not a perforated cover. You would have to either cut or take it all off and put the papers on, which I probably will do yourself. But she is, look at her. Let's work our way up the kit. Isn't she gorgeous? And I'm having a good look, and it looks really nice and clear. Really clear. And each of the symbols are in a square. And this is a square drill, which I love a square drill because it fills they sit right next to each other and fills the canvas without any little corners showing. And each of the symbols are in a little square box, so it should make it easy to line up as well. I'm liking it. Now it's got like a little border going all the way around the edge that you don't diamond paint. It's got no symbols, so it gives it like a little tiny frame around the edge. I kind of like that because some people cut off these edges, don't they? So you don't have to cut right next to the diamonds. You've got like, I don't know, a couple of mil, 2-3 mil gap, which that's quite nice. Let's work our way down the image. My desk just is not big enough. So she is a big fairy in the middle, and I think she's some sort of water fairy, which is why I think it's called Lotus, because we've got a lotus flower down here, and she's definitely in water, isn't she? So that's what I think she's a water fairy of some sort. But she's gorgeous, and I can't wait to attack this one. I love the fact that it's 60 wide, so therefore it fits on my light board perfectly as well. But I got a new light board in the other room on my other desk, and she would fit the other way on that board as well, so it's huge. What do you think of Lotus? Isn't she gorgeous? Slide it back down. I love the fact that she's got her hands in like prayer mode as well. Look at her. And I'm hoping the colour palette is as nice as I saw on the picture. It's not in your face bright colours. It's sort of au natural. There's a lot of skin, sort of pale skin tone on this one. And her little wings are sort of creamy coloured as well. And then you've got the natural water and greenery around her. So it's not going to be in your face colours, is it? But I am loving the look of her. I can't wait to do her. That sounded wrong, didn't it? You know what I mean? But she's gorgeous. So this is Miss Lotus. Let's have a little close-up of her. Okay, there we go. Right. I just wanted to show you this diamond painting. See what you think of it. Let me know in the comments what you do think of it. And as you know, I'm on the Stash Detox at the moment. So there's no more buying. We've got one more after this one. And then that's all for the new ones for this year. So there's one more new one to unbox for you, and then we're done. I will kind of miss that side of it. But I'm enjoying doing the Stash Detox. And if you want to follow me with the Stash Detox or join in with me, all the links are down below in the description for you. But I'm looking forward to her now. She's going to be a little while before I get her done. Because we're sort of doing a lucky pick into the stash to get one. But I'm very much looking forward to this one. So that's Miss Lotus from Dreamer Designs. And she's a 60 by 70. Beautiful looking diamond painting. What did you think of Lotus? Oh, I thought it was gorgeous. Now, Lotus is kit number 61 for me in my Hoard to Finish. My stash has got 62 kits in it, and Lotus is number 61, and it comes in here at the top. We've got one more unboxing to do to complete the 62 diamond paintings that are in the stash. So anyway, that was Lotus. What did you think of it? I can't wait to have a go at one of these Dreamer Designs kits, because I've never worked on a Dreamer Designs kit before, so I'm super excited to have a go and see what it feels like. But anyway, I don't know when that is going to happen, because at the moment we're working through our Hoard, and it's a lucky pick. I put my hands in and I kind of just pull one out and I go with the flow. And at the moment, we're working on Baby Blue Dragon. And he's so close to being finished. Anyway, that's it for this little unboxing. Can't wait to work on it. So thank you very much, Dreamer Designs, for Lotus. I'm looking forward to it. So until next time, thank you so much for joining me. Take care, be good and look after yourself. And I'll see you on the next one.